catch it. I know what we're kill off. Starting from now, this 7 minutes of Satan, they will all get disappear. What can happen? They won't come on the most will die. I am the Lord of the sea. I vote the angels. Now 1.16 million angels. Enough is enough. How many people vetting? Come out. Come out. I'm also drinking. I'm not happy I don't do it. Because you'll be making mouth. Now, this truly, Satan, Mary is not set up. That I did not reject billion. If I Japan, I let us, I'm not here. Now, I've been against what's I know here. Because of you, I writing comments. Because here, I won't make it. I will reject the billion. I don't know if it's I don't go. I will always open if I did not reject billion from a country kingdom to 7 people. Anything that I do for Lagos, now I want it. But I will open and reject the billion. Save only from working and everything. Now, if I take out the only woman, no, if I mention Lagos, I'm everything. One of them got pride if we're abroad in Nigeria, I'm going to get out the open. I get blood back and all yet. One of them has sports, however, I put them in the room. They got over, I get blood back with all yet. I don't know Papa. I'm going to be always spiritual war. So, I believe I need to kill the feet spiritually. Come out. They told me fake. I want to prove to the world I'm not a fake. I am only a liberation. I'm only a liberator, which nobody have done. The kind of price I pay, nobody can pay. I saved millions of souls. Which Ebuka Obi cannot save those souls. You only after making money. You only after showing us money. But I'm here today. They will go back. What is today's date? This is March. This is my month. See? What gave you was what I'm doing? Never market it. I'm doing it from comments. I don't know who they got over it. All of you that are young people, I'm not pro-war, my program, I'm going to comment. All of you in this Lagos, I can confirm whether prophets, except prophet and all the people that cheer right America, all of them they became poor. Because I slept on the rock for 5 years. Because I came to this world and the midnight. About 10 years ago, this world has shifted back. I say I am the Lord of the sea. I control the land and earth. Because then we are doing in Nigeria. Whether you accept the challenge or not accept the challenge. As long as people upon Alpha, people will blackmail me. You Japan, you just Agamora, US Zion Media Team. Water will swallow all of you. Water will swallow all of you. How many 1 million about your tree? Any business you do international, water will swallow it. Or when abroad in America, anywhere you know, I will prove you to all of you became poor. I crush all of you. Enough is enough. You must know your mate. When you see prophets, you respect prophets. Prophet is not evangelist. I want you for everybody to take a challenge. Just know, my name is Prophet David. I'm a special world. I hide nothing. They started calling us fake. He that go to water is fake. Tell us. Come and tell us where Bible says if you go to water is fake. Come and tell us where Bible says if you do spiritual work is fake. Come and tell us where to worship the Yahweh is fake. Bible said that I not worship another God. Ebuka Obi on the fake. We are praying to many. And I'm here to debunk it. And many have promised me billion and church it. This water will swallow all of you. All of you.
Bikonu ndị Igbo ukwu ana m ayọ na ayọ ejighị ewe ala wee mara ndị Anambra steeti ịghọtago kpọọnụ nwanne unu nwoke tinye na shen ịghọtala because ekwuru m na unu na-ada eche mgbe mmadụ yipụrụ akwa ịgbara ọtọ kpagharịba n'ilo ụna wee mmadụ onye ahụ ụwa n'ala mana unu dịrị anya fụna mmadụ na-ekopụ ekopụ because oge mmadụ ya adọ nọrọ etu a spirit ọma ha a na-communicate to him or her ọhala ka onye ahụ na-awe ọ sị nọ na-evoke 1.6 million angels ka ọgụnụ against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Say na Mary, si na enigwe gbadata, we offer ya billions of naira. O reject ya Mary. Offer David Yahweh billions of naira. O reject ya Agbagomono. Okwo otu ifa ka anyị na anọ ọgụ eketa. Ụmụazị kirikiri ụmụazị ba ya. Badebe na ego ọjọọ unu na-akpa. Badebe na ego ọjọọ unu na-akpa. Mgbe unu ishetara unu na-achọ repercussion of ego ọjọọ unu na-akpa. Look at somebody like David Yahweh. Each time he chọrọ ịma the repercussion of this evil money. Ụmụazị kirikiri kịta na-eji akpa mana nke akwa ha ụmụ kirikiri ọgwụ a eji aka m nke ọkpa busu anya egbe were agwọ. Look at David Yahweh. When you see the life of David Yahweh today, ịnọkata ife mmadụ amaghị isi a na-achụgharị mmadụ. Ochupwe from Onitsha, Ochune to Ajayo Estate, Osi from Ajayo, Ochune to First Stack, Osi from First Stack, Ochune to Satellite, Osi from Satellite, Obachi get back to Onitsha, Osi from Onitsha, Obachi Buku, unknown something, Madam Maro, Ana Sugar Yunya, Ego Jo Apalapa, Ego Jo Apalapa, Pachaye, Lichaye, every day they make easy reference to I get them before. Share I get them before on a property. One day I challenge Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Mention the talk, face me and face you. Look at the video. You want Evangelist Ebuka Obi to respond to your challenge. As gono, as gono nya apoku amarosi size. Mogona abada nwere onye ole kwese. Ana apoku nwe size. Ndị Igbo ukwu okwonye Igbo ukwu ka David Yahweh. Ona ahapụ na this. Ịma na asị na nwanne onye ala ka ifele na-eme. And the one no yana agbaje egwu okiku anako nwanne. Among Kurisi will happen this young man. 1.6 million angels. I rejected this one from occultic kingdom. I rejected billions of naira from Virgin Mary. Oh, imagination of onye kolomentanari. Oh nya. You want to go? Ono happy and nation boy pull up where tipu ala. In a general media just where not a ban I go if I and I go on a bish back a miri blue. Now if I and I go like a miri blue. Kakesi umeche just like that. If Lulu as a movie producer, if Lulu as a prophet, if Lulu as a minister of God, you cannot even grow a church since you were into ministry. You cannot even grow a church where even 10 people. Matthias Karuma. Matthias Kapuduma. At least Matthias with more than 100 members worldwide. Go on. In where even more than 7 members worldwide. Why do you million? Alapo hand kilo. On the speaking water. Or carry here to Evangelist Ebuka Obi were resurrected. Where resurrected carry out gula murisicha and a walk with mapata. A shock you will go opportunity away shine or where build up page you. A patcharo, but will give me him with wife fuel, Jemmy Babish. You will give me him with wife fuel and moto, Jemmy Babish. Hotel. Ole Jirquanalo, it got collected again. It got collected again. Of course, and a million, and so none the million. Mary Kangota. There's another million because the last time if you got money, and they thank you for saying that. Thank you for saying that I don't pour. Or let's go if the life I'm living today is that one that poor people live, then I would rather choose to remain poor, my brother. You want to go? I would rather choose to remain poor. If the life I'm living today represent poverty, I would rather remain poor. Okay, here to Shibo Pagununo, you are disgracing in the Anambra state. I don't want to reject you as Anambra. I don't want to reject you. You know, I care a lot of things that are not adding up. 1.6 million angels. Make sure add the other 100,000 angels. Imagination. Somebody living in an imaginary world. Somebody living in an imaginary. If Virgin Mary, you will offer billions of naira. Who offered you? You rejected money from the occultic world. Not called to before. He rejected our body. In our body, in our body, no kata tipu gala no kata for the season he cope for the season he go better. ụfọdụ afọ gị ya akpụ isi ya agụ ahụ alụkatakwa afọ gị kechasịkwa onwe ụdọ ọcha onye kote oburu onye ka nji woluwu na-enye ụmụ okorobịa ya advice kịta kpatebe na ego ọjọọ ụnụ na-akpa bikos n'ụwa mgbede ka ụnụ ya na owe fifi unu mere onwe ụnụ ọ ka ụgwọ nwanne unu na-ezugo and I'm just making a common sense daalụnụ